Looking for an easy treat that's sweet, refreshing, and a little fancy? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make these yummy strawberry poppers. They're stuffed with cream cheese, a hint of rosemary, and drizzled with honey. These are bite-sized delights that's perfect for dessert, snack, or even brunch. So let's get cooking. Aren't these strawberry poppers just the easiest way to impress your family and friends with something yummy? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who needs a little sweet snack today. I look forward to sharing more recipes with you with Everyday Eats with Ellen.